What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So a couple videos ago we put in the max heating rod coilovers inside of the 240. I did say I was gonna go back bag just because for the fitment that I want I kind of need it to be bagged and it's a lot more practical for me. So I'm gonna try to put the Aerosport bags on those just to see if it'll get a little bit more lift because the bag is bigger than the C2B bag that I'm running right now. So I already do have one of the struts done. I'm basically just replacing the spring with the bag, and then we're gonna have to notch a couple of things here and there just to make sure that the fittings fit, but overall it should be fairly easy. We're gonna start by taking this first bolt off. I think it's a 22. So after you take the spring off, there's going to be this little lip right here. You're going to need to grind it down just so that way when the bag goes on top, it can slip all the way through. So the collar that's at the bottom of the bag is going to need to be notched just because there's the fitting over here that goes to the airline. And there's going to be 2 more bolts that go onto the sides just so that way it can lock onto the collar. So you're going to need to make room for those. So I already slotted these ones so I can just throw the bag right on top. Just a little bit more. They do have a little space right here, but I want to have more camber, so Blaine's gonna just extend it just a little bit. So when you put the top hat back on, we put it on backwards just because the hole of the bag doesn't fit, or I think this is too big. So this is gonna be your air strap now, and then I just went ahead and notched the top mounting point just so that way I can get more camber, and then these struts are ready to be put back in the car.
So we're doing some drift prep for Bailey. He needs a battery tying down, so we'll be here custom making him one. Yeah, that's good. Right over. It's hot.
So we needed a little bit more camber, so I slotted these coilover, the mounting point. This is just the top mounting point, so I can just add a little bit more camber. I think we had it at 20 spins, but when it was fully aired out, it wasn't reaching the fender, so we're gonna try to lower it probably about 15 spins and just see how that looks. Hopefully it looks better. Oh shoot, I wasn't gonna count it.
What you got?
I got this.
350Z. Thanks, baby.
Oh, I know something else.
Oh.
Whose feet is that, KB?
Huh?
Your feet.
Who's that? Wow.
I cut it way too big. All the way, go down. All the way, all the way, all the way. You could probably come down a little bit more if you wanted to. Try come down some more.
I'm thinking I should take out camber and raise it because it airs out like right here. So if I just raise it, I don't want it to still air out where it tucks a little bit. I'd rather have it poke a little bit.
Oh, but. Try to grab that arm. Yep. Try move on. It's cherry, boo. Cherry Bombay. You see me? Cherry Bombay. No, whatever he said. You only bought 2 sparkles. I bought 6. He can't. He was like, make sure you're gonna get 2 because you don't want, hey, bottle. So I was like, you almost sure you're gonna get 2 sparklers, please. Make sure you're gonna. He really think I sound like that. He really thinks that. Frick. This is twist on? Yeah, pow, bangle, boom. For sale, because this is authentic. Authentic? All original, authentic. So Bailey bought this kit and it didn't fit on his car, so we're gonna see if it fits on Christine's car because hers is missing as well. Burger King? Ooh, you're good at catching. Ooh, I'm better at catching. You're dumb. I'm better at that. Ooh, yeah. You're chewing it kind of fast right now.
I hope it's perfect. Oh no! I need to get a little bit more camera.
Yeah.
Just a little bit more camera.
Right, all the way, that's it. Oh. See, it's still gonna touch.
Take out just a little bit more. Oh! Oh, no. Too much camera out.
Just a little bit more in and it'll be perfect. Just a tad in and then when we fix the toe, it'll be perfect. Because right now it's toe in.
Okay. What the? Oh. The jacket is underneath the car.
Yeah, that's why it's not going to go
I get me too excited. Okay.
Alright, take 20.
This is gonna be it. Oh. Oh. No. No. What the frick? It feels like it's going in the same
Just come all the way down.
We did it.
Did it. Now you gotta do the other side. Oh. What's up, baby?
I'm eating mine.
Hot dog?
Yeah.
You hot doggy? Yeah. We good?
I think it's good. It better be good. I think it's.
Oh, that's so sick.
Yeah.
That is perfect.
That's so sick.
That's perfect.
That's
it.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good fitment.
But I don't care. Yeah, I think that came out good.
Yeah, it came out real good.
It looks good.
It's so perfect.
That's
Look at that
perfect.
clearance right there.
There is like maybe a millimeter difference between the both sides.
That side's a little bit higher.
Actually, no, it's settled down.
Then redo it.
It's maybe like this much. Maybe like a tiny bit
I know,
higher
I
on this
saw it.
side, but it's okay because you gotta the driver. You gotta compensate for the driver.
Yeah.
How much?
So I notched the coilovers and I adjusted them. I think I took them off like 30 times today. But I finally got the fitment where I wanted it to be, right here at the edge of the lip. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh, this jacket is too small. This is not my jacket.
Okay, guys, so it's about like 11 o'clock. Bailey dropped the spark plug socket and the spark plug on the last one that needed to be changed out, and we can't find it at all. You guys can see this engine bay is like super cluttered, and he dropped it in the abyss down here. So we're trying to figure out where it fell so we can finish this up. It's always when you're almost finished that you run into the most problems.
I dropped the magnet.
There's no time for games.
Okay, Bailey, your hand is smaller, I think. I don't know, but you see where the magnet is?
I like this. It's the same
Our hand is
size.
the same size.
Screw you. Our hand is also the same size.
Nah,
my
no,
hand is
Blaine's hand is
bigger.
bigger.
Christine.
Blaine's hand is bigger.
Christine! And Christine comes.
Okay, try to look. Here, hold the flashlight. Look where the magnet is, because that's where it is.
Wait, do you want me to grab the magnet out?
No, you're gonna push the magnet forward.
I just left the magnet there so you know where to put your hand.
So where do I push it?
towards the front.
Push it that way?
We're just gonna keep putting a whole bunch of stuff inside his motor.
Just stick your hand in and you'll feel a pat. Like pretty much it's the only part where you can stick your hand.
Yeah. And you can barely stick your hand through it.
Yeah.
So you probably can't even stick your hand through it.
This guy,
Blaine has a hugest of hands.
this guy is like, oh, I don't remember, but as soon as you start explaining it, yeah, no, that's exactly what it is.
Yeah, because I had to get
There's only
my
one
memory's
way.
joggy
There's
again.
only one way.
There is only one way. I figure, yeah.
There is only one way.
There's
That's
only
why.
one way. I tried to take it.
What is he doing?
Bro, Blaine, stop. Blaine, stop. Bro, stop. Blaine, stop for real.
What
Stop
are
for
you
real.
doing?
Stop for real. Stop. Bro, stop.
What are you doing?
It's stuck and I can't pull it because it's a tape measure, bro.
What is he doing?
No, it's pretty in there. The tape measure goes in pretty a lot.
Look, he's pulling it out.
How do I take it back? No, here, guys. No, but I put it in the cavity, like it went inside, and I'm trying to wiggle it or something to get it caught on the thing. How do I fix this though? Why is it not going in?
Push him on.
Here you go, Bailey. What is that?
That was weird, huh? Never mind. Forget about what I said.
Try it again.
The second starter sounded
This
really
one
good.
does sound. Now that you said it, but you know it's probably a placebo effect.
No!
It's a pussy boy up there. Oh, Bada said placebo. Nah, it sounded better the second try, so you should be good.
Third time. Try it again.
It blows up.
That's not funny. That's why it's not good. Oh, that's why it's running so good. But there's an extra spark plug in the too. It's still in there.
It is still in there, yeah.
Oh, that was like a little
That one was right away.
This bag got running on 7 cylinders, bro. 7.
Yeah, the spider put the spark plug.
Confusing his tape measure.
Yeah, that's fair.
For real, yeah. So the radiator kind of.
What are you doing with the tape measure up here? He's like, okay, this is 16 inches.
It's about right. It's about right. We're having long nights only because of Bailey.
For the Costco stuff.
So stupid, yeah. For real, yeah. I do gotta send him money, but you don't need to say it like that.
ready, but I don't think
I don't feel like it.
See? Soft.
Say it right.
Which one is my beer?
This car is like,
What? We're gonna go driving again?